recording, I'm pretty sure.
Are you? Did you do that?
Happened. So basically, we just got here to the camping spot.
Just got to the camping
There's
spot,
mosquitoes
man.
everywhere. There's
Watch it for the
Kyle.
rocks, man. No,
And we got this little creek running right through. I'm gonna hang up my hammock right in between these two trees. Wow, it's so much harder to point looking through there than you think. Right over the water. It's gonna be awesome. Where are we going?
Iron Lakes.
We're going with your uncle.
Yeah.
And apparently we can shred tires on this road.
Well, we're not going anywhere until they do. Yeah. Let's see if we can help.
Alright, we are stuck in the snow. Just kidding, we're not stuck in the snow, but there's this guy. Right there. He's stuck in the snow. This is us. There's like this probably 100-foot long portion of the road that's just completely snowed over and probably like 3 foot, 2.5, 3 foot deep snow. So we're trying to pull this guy out because we can't even get around him either. So hopefully we'll get him out and be able to go on our way. Okay. Oh my gosh, I've been doing that the whole time. So now we switched positions and we are now stuck after we got him out and tried to go through. We got stuck in the exact same position.
And the favor has been returned.
Yeah, so I guess we're just gonna try to back out of this and then turn around and go down to some awesome falls. I'm gonna go back from here all the way to there. Yeah. Just step right there, see what happens.
Oh,
You're just gonna fall in.
I don't see.
Oh! Kyle and I decided to take a turn in the back. How are you think this decision went?
You know, it's actually really fun. It's a little bouncy.
Oh, I'm sorry. Am I disturbing you?
Walking through this beautiful meadow. Look at this. It's insane. And we just got done with the waterfall. So fun. This is the third day of the trip. The first 2.5 days we pretty much, there's a bunch of weird stuff that happened. We've just been pretty much driving around non-stop the whole time. So it was good. We finally got some time to go do some stuff. Probably just gonna do one video for this whole trip. Because, I mean, how many videos can you make of waterfalls and hiking and stuff? It's just so peaceful over here. Look, like, just, it's so crazy, so pretty. All around me is just this insane little meadow. It's so nice. Anyways, see you guys later.
Work it now. Come on, mate. Pick it up now. Burn up all night.
I'm a big fan.
Sun's going down. We're gonna get this bobby going. Come on. And for me bells now.
How will we do this without a paddle? That's the real question.
Oh, that's good, isn't it? Snow in summer.
It's the opposite.